You're about to see our new central warehouse in the Netherlands. The warehouse covers an area of 15,000 square meters and contains more than 10,000 individual spare parts. Our installations are operating all over the world, with some even in service for over 40 years. We have a reputation of creating high quality and robust machinery. But sometimes spare parts are needed. In that case, time is of the essence. That is why we guarantee that our clients can reach us 24/7, 365 days a year. Availability of the installations is becoming increasingly important. That is why the availability of spare parts must do the same. With the introduction of our automated warehouse management system, our clients can depend on us quickly and get the right parts on site. The service vans of our field service engineers are continuously stocked from our warehouse to ensure that they always have enough spare parts to resolve your problem. This level of knowledge and experience is simply unrevealed. Contact our service department to find out more about the difference that we can make for you.